It's a Mark Notell production. Welcome to Mark Engineering and Non-Precision. I got my father's vise set up and my hack grinder and my father's old drill press with the XY axis over here, and I had a spare spindle going over here. I don't know, it's crazy shit. Father's a lot of stuff here from my father, and I'm happy to have it. Better than nothing. Okay, bye y'all. I'm taking this camper flange that used to go on a pickup truck slide-in camper plate here, and I'm modifying it to hold the lights, these lights back here for my snow blower. Kit I bought at Napa, and I'm gonna mount it on my tractor. But well, you'll have to see where I'm mounting it. Over here, I'll be mounting it on existing holes on the thing here. I have to keep this safety thing folded down or it won't fit in the garage door, so I'm going to use these two existing holes on each side, and these things are going to go up and over a little bit, and I'm going to mount the lights up here on each side so they're not in my line of vision when I use this freaking huge ass snowblower. And it's getting to be crunch time, as you can see, because we got some snow already and I don't have my plow on yet, but oh, a couple of weeks maybe. Alright, bye everybody. Well, this thing has got more technology than the Hercos. It's a stronger controller. It's got lasers. Not that I need it. We got it. I'm gonna drill a hole in this baby. So here we go, babes. And drill some holes in that bitch. Woohoo! Light on the situation. Got some rework to do. Oh well, Dave would be proud. I got the GoPro set up. Oops, looks like we got some more rework to do. Fucking Palmer's in those. They suck. not for nothing. Rub off this scoop. Hole. That's what I need. Hey, they work. How about that?